One mistake almost every beginner makes is thinking cutting and trimming are the same thing. They are not. And because of that misunderstanding, they spend more time editing than necessary. Sometimes they remove the wrong parts of a video. Other times they struggle to make their videos flow smoothly. So before you continue learning video editing, you need to understand the difference. Once you do, you will know exactly which tool to use and when to use it. Let's get into it. In the last lesson, I showed you how to cut a video using the split tool. Today, we are taking it one step further. We are going to compare two editing techniques that sound similar but serve different purposes. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to cut and when to trim. And trust me, this one lesson alone will save you a lot of time while editing. Let's start with cutting. Imagine you are watching your video and you find a mistake in the middle. Maybe you repeated a sentence. Maybe you said, maybe you forgot what you wanted to say. That mistake is sitting right in the middle of your video. This is where cutting comes in. You move your play head to the beginning of the mistake. Tap split. Move to the end of the mistake. Tap split again. Now, that mistake is separated from the rest of the video. Delete it. That's cutting. You are separating part of your video so you can remove it. Now, let's talk about trimming. Trimming is different. Instead of removing something from the middle of the video, you are adjusting the beginning or the end of a clip. For example, maybe your recording starts with 3 seconds of you walking into position. You don't need that. Instead of splitting and deleting, simply drag the beginning of the clip forward. That's trimming. The same thing applies to the end. If your recording continues for 5 seconds after you finish talking, just drag the end backward. That's trimming. I like using this example. Imagine you buy a loaf of bread. If you remove one slice from the middle, that's cutting. But if you remove the first slice or the last slice, that's trimming. Both remove something, but they remove different parts. This is where many beginners get confused. They use the split tool for everything, even when trimming would be faster, or they keep trimming when what they actually need is a cut. Knowing the difference makes your editing cleaner and much more efficient. Now, it's your turn. Open one of your video. First, trim the beginning until the video starts immediately. Then, trim the ending so there is no unnecessary silence. After that, find one mistake in the middle. Use the split tool to cut it out. Do both exercises. That way you will understand the difference by actually doing it. Let's quickly recap. Use cutting when you want to remove something from the middle of your video. Use trimming when you want to shorten the beginning or the end of a clip. They are both important, but they solve different problems. Once you know when to use each one, editing becomes much easier. In the next lesson, we are going to solve another problem beginners struggle with. You will learn how to remove awkward pauses and hide jump cuts so your videos feel smoother and more professional. That's where your edits really begin to look clean. I will see you in the next lesson.